Hello friends, welcome to Woodworking Zone. Today is the 8th day of the Evergreen Woodworking Topics series. Today, we're delving into the art of achieving smooth and flawless wood finishes. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, these timeless tips will elevate your craftsmanship to the next level.
Tip 1. Proper surface preparation. Before diving into staining or painting, ensure your wood surface is clean, smooth, and free from any imperfections. Sand the wood in progressive grits, starting from coarse to fine, to achieve a silky smooth finish. Tip 2. Choose the right finish. Consider the wood species and intended use of your project when selecting a finish. Whether it's oil-based, water-based, or lacquer, each has its unique properties and application techniques. Tip 3. Apply thin coats. Less is more when it comes to applying finishes. Thin coats not only dry faster but also result in a smoother, more even finish. Use a quality brush or sprayer for optimal application.
Tip 4. Sand between coats. To achieve that glass-like finish, lightly sand the surface between each coat of finish. This helps remove any imperfections and promotes better adhesion for subsequent coats. Tip 5. Control dust and debris. Dust and airborne particles can ruin a perfect finish. Work in a clean, well-ventilated area, and consider using a dust collector or air purifier to minimize contaminants. Tip 6. Practice patience. Rushing the finishing process can lead to mistakes and disappointment. Allow ample drying time between coats, and resist the urge to handle the piece until the finish has fully cured.
Tip 7. Finishing touches. Once the final coat has dried, inspect the surface for any imperfections. Buff the finish with a fine-grade steel wool or polishing compound to remove any blemishes and enhance the shine. And there you have it, folks. With these timeless tips, you'll be well on your way to achieving smooth and flawless wood finishes like a pro. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment and refine your technique.
In this video, we told you tips for achieving smooth and flawless wood finishes. We hope you liked this video. And in the next video of this series we will learn creative woodworking project ideas for home decor. Thanks till then. Subscribe or follow Woodworking Zone to learn about woodworking.